when it comes to heavy-duty jobs. Stop and let the big guy get it done. If you need more power and more speed, make sure you pick the right tool. Compact but reliable from all new Brushless Professional Series. 20-volt, 2-amp compact cell lithium-ion batteries ensure that you never run out of power. 3 settings for different applications. No bolts can stand in your way. No matter how tight they've been fastened, how rusty they've got, or how big they are. 350 Newton meters is enough to deal with them all. The combination of ultimate power and the latest technology is in your hand to get the job done. Ronix 8907K cordless brushless impact range kit with all the accessories, BMC case, charger, and an extra battery. Hold the 8907K cordless brushless impact wrench kit in your hand and let the beast take over the control. Ronix 8907K cordless brushless impact wrench kit. Ronix premium quality.